If there's something that MHS stands for, it stands for excellence. It's something that our founders stood for. They stood for excellence in all that they did. And so being able to bring in folks that are experts in their field, that value excellence and do the work that they do with a sense of pride and accomplishment, it's a special thing to be able to do. Our students deserve it. Our students deserve to have the best of the best. When employees are their best, and enables our students to be their best selves. I was already in graduate school, but I added on a concentration in human resources management so that I got to know a little bit more and dive deeper into the world of human resources so that can better this MHS community as a whole as I work as part of a team and ensuring that we're bringing in the right people to work here. I also want to be able to speak to the different experiences that they're going to encounter and the different resources that they're going to encounter and how we as a HR team can better support them. And very fortunate to work as part of a team here that they themselves I think, are experts in the industry. I've ended up meeting so many people from all across the country, some across the globe, that are interested in serving our student body. They have a big responsibility at the end of the day to then go and take care of the students in whatever capacity that may be. So whether you're standing in front of the classroom or you're behind the desk or you're, again, out on the grounds or you're in a safety and security office, we want to make sure that you are equipped to feel confident in the job that you're doing, that you are happy in the job that you're doing, that you are feeling fulfilled, and that when you ride into work every single day, it's not a grumble and it's not a complaint, it's I get to go to work today.